This is Tractor from Cars, the Cars 2006 movie. As it is, the tractors in Cars were actually cows, because they didn't speak like everyone, like the other characters, but they could move instead. As you can see, all these brown spots on them on the tractor, because they were cows. And so, see, two big wheels and two big rear wheels and two front small wheels. And take a look at the undercarriage, the base, sorry, and you can see udders. That could actually tell that they were cows. And then Mater honked his horn, and then the tractor actually tipped and went like this. And eventually they fell asleep. It was like this. And but Lightning McQueen couldn't honk because he didn't even have a horn. Instead, he revved his engine loudly, and all the tractors woke up and tipped. And then, when Frank heard the noise, he immediately chased after Lightning McQueen and Mater, but couldn't get them because they escaped him. And it says Chihuahua on the tractor. And I like the tractor from Cars. Actually, this is actually what I got is a deluxe item. And it's made of metal. Because that's what they made it out of. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching.